Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Christmas Snow Snowflake. We're just going to go ahead and line it up on top of the folded coffee filter. And then we're going to go ahead, and since I'm assuming you're going to use this for a classroom party or a youth group activity, we're going to go ahead and use a staple to hold the pattern in place. It's just a little less frustrating for beginners. And then we're going to go ahead and cut out the diamond. And then we're going to go ahead and start cutting out the Christmas tree. Now I can definitely tell that I am not a coffee drinker. I was excited that I found these for $100 for $1 at the dollar store, and then I saw at the regular store I can get 200 for like $1.29. So it's definitely a great material for a big group activity. Not only is the circle easy for them to fold, but it's also kind to your pocketbook for a big group. It's also compostable, which is nice. Yeah, there we go. Thank you for watching.